I want you guys to go to your Google extensions, your Chrome extensions. Let me know when everybody's there. Once you get there, I want you to look for this this app. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Google Meets, attendees, and breakout rooms. It's called, Courtney, what is it called? This one right here. Type in Google Meets breakout room, and it's this one right here. The Google Meet attendees and breakout rooms. It's a little like swirly guy.
Coat hanger.
Yeah, coat hanger.
Do I need both? Or just?
This one will do both for you.
Attendees and breakouts.
Yeah. Okay, is everybody back? I hope. So, let me show you how it works now, if we're ready. Is anybody not ready? I guess is the better question. No? Okay. So, if you guys look on my screen to come back to the main list, or the main meet, and you'll see here that it shows everybody. Now, this is from this morning, so it won't get rid of the list until you refresh it. So this was everybody that was here in the morning session. Do you guys see that? Yes. Okay. Thank you. I'm like, nobody's talking to me. So but let's say I want it from this exact group because I don't want that other one because it was my first period or whatever. Now I want this period. So I'm going to refresh. And now it's everybody that's here. So you have an option of including yourself in this list also, and I'll show you right now. So this is one way to take attendance. You can copy the list or whatever. So that's just a way to see who's here. Now, let's say you wanted to do a breakout room or create groups. So you would go to Show Group Generator. And here you tell them, actually, sorry, let me show you this. This is where you put include yourself in the list. You can sort it by last name. You can do a comparison list, but I don't recommend that. So let's say I wanted a group, about 5 groups. When I click generate groups, it's going to create 5 groups and it's going to evenly distribute as much as it can all the people in the groups differently randomly. So like here would be group 1, Mr. Rios, Ms. Vera, Mr. J, Ms. Torres, Omar, and Ms. Crane. That's group 1, right? And you would show them this too. You would show them their group, who they're with, make sure they understand. If you click on it bigger, see, if you click on it too, that goes to their meets. So you always can go pop in and check on them. Okay? Oops. Is everybody okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Douglas. So now I'm going to show you, like, what if you want to give them the meets links. So you're going to go to copy. And what I suggest you do is just open up maybe a Google Sheets real fast. Or whatever you want to do this as. You can even post it in the Google Classroom.
Why am I?
Sorry, not Sheets, Google Docs.
I have something wrong with this. Why am I on? I think I have to fix my thing.
What do you mean?
Because I'm seeing you all like up and down, and your screen, your presenting screen, I'm only seeing it like a small little square. Hold on, let me fix that.
Okay.
Because now I'm becoming expert. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so now walk me through it one more time because I was switching this.
Sure. So what I did here is I copied all my Google Meet links. Also, let's say I have a group and I'm like, oh, you know what? Mr. Rios and Ms. Vera, they really don't work well together. I don't want them to be together. You can click generate groups again and it'll change it all up. So we can kind of monitor. Let's say you have a couple of kids that cannot work well together. You can do that also.
So Jackie, there's no way to put the groups yourself, like it has to be randomly generated.
Yeah, you can. So look, if I move See, I switched Ms. Vera and Ms. Torres.
So you have to do it after. So you generate it and then you move them around.
Yeah,
Okay.
but let's say you just wanted to do a completely new list, you can just generate a new group also. So I got my list, tell them who they are. I'm going to put copy meets link, and I just opened a doc. I'm sure you can post it in Google Classroom if you'd like. And these are all the links. So now you would tell group one, and of course you just press enter and they hyperlink. So you would say group one, go to this whatever link, group two, this is yours, blah, blah, blah. That's for them. And then, so they would break out. And like I said, if you click up here where their numbers are, that takes you to their meet. So you can be like, 5 more minutes, group two, we're going to join back, blah, blah, blah. So I'm in the meet for group two.
Jackie, I joined the group a little bit late and maybe you've covered this already, but when you press on that little guy there and you get your list, and let's say these are my students, you could copy the list and put it on a doc?
You can copy it, you can copy it and paste it anywhere that you can copy paste anything. So like I pasted it, I copied this list and I put it here in the chat.
Oh, okay.
I copied it like multiple times, sorry. But yeah, there it is.
Okay.
You can paste the codes here too. This one came out nicer. So anybody can copy paste. You can copy paste your list. You can copy paste your meets.
Okay. Is that how you take attendance?
Yeah. So I'm gonna copy the list because you can just even if you don't want to generate it, you can just copy this list. And
the little extension that you have, do you have one for meets? Is there a meets extension?
up here?
Yeah.
No.
You just have that green one, right? That's the grid view? Because mine's orange. My grid
Yeah,
view.
the grid view.
I think I downloaded the wrong one because my attendance isn't working.
Okay, we can do the grid view one too. So if you go to extensions and you go to Google Meets Grid,
Google Meets Grid.
and it's this little green one here at the top. It has to say fix in parentheses.
Okay,
So
yeah,
we have this one and it doesn't work.
that's the one I got.
Yeah, it has to be this one that says fix.
All right. 10-4. Thank you.
No problem.